latest is even the Air Chief Marshal, former Air Chief Marshal has to be arrested. That is something unprecedented in the history of the country. So that members of parliament, they want to discuss that issue also. And there are also now sting operations conducted by some television channels where some people are coming forward to take money and then convert the money. We also have information across the country at different places. Some bank employees, officers have indulged in fraud, and then some other people also are trying to misuse it. All the issues, they need thorough debate in parliament. And for that, every political party must come forward and these issues will be debated. And the government has no problem to discuss any issue. We are ready to discuss any issue, every issue. But they don't allow the discussion. They are accusing the government that we are running away from the discussion and all.
सर सरकार इसकी जांच कराएगी जो एनजीओ के थ्रू काला धन को गोरा करने में लगे हैं लोग, जिसमें पॉलिटिकल
पहले देखेंगे, पूरा तथ्य सामने आने दीजिए, जरूर इसका इंक्वायरी करना पड़ेगा। गंभीर मामला है। पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज अपना कार्यालय में बैठ के काला धन को हम परिवर्तित करेंगे, कन्वर्ट करेंगे, ऐसा ऑन रिकॉर्ड बोलना, उस समय वो रिकॉर्ड हो रहे हैं, उनको मालूम नहीं हुआ होगा, बट फिर भी लेवल ऑफ पॉलिटिक्स, इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री चाह रहे हैं ये काला धन और इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स और ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी, ऑल दिस आर इंटरकनेक्टेड. द डिजिटल ट्रांसफर और द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ट्रांसफर ऑफ मनी ऑल्सो इज डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड to fight against the black money, against corruption. Some people are saying the Prime Minister changed his goalpost. Earlier he said fight against corruption and black money. Fight against corruption and black money includes digital transfer. If there is a digital transfer, electronic transfer, corruption will considerably reduce. Black money will get reduced, and that will bring more and more money into the system, more and more people into the tax net. More income to the government means more money to be spent for the welfare of the poor. This is what the Prime Minister promised. And if you get more revenue, there is likelihood of taxes also coming down. All these are going to be useful to the country in the long term. In the short term, there will be some problem. PM has already said it, and we are also been saying short-term pain for long-term gain, and bitter pill for a long-term ill. This is a long-term ill created by the previous rulers for over the years. Scams and scandals also, plundering and loot of public money, public resources like coal, 2G, 3G, and spectrum, and then Commonwealth. All those things have been looted under whose leadership everybody knows. But they are now accusing our government. They are calling this as a fraud and is a plunder and then loot of public money. It is really surprising. It is like a devil's quoting scriptures that they are talking about corruption.
विपक्ष ये कह रहा है कि एक और स्कैम सामने आया है जिसमें गृह राज्य मंत्री किरण रिजिजू
इश्यू उठाए ना, इश्यू उठाए, बहस हो जाए, उसमें स्पष्टीकरण दे चुका है ये बिजली मंत्रालय ने। जो पैसा दिया, जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया, पुराना जमाना में कांग्रेस सरकार के जमाने में हुआ है। ये लोगों को वो भी मालूम नहीं है, और वो लोग किसके ऊपर आरोप कर रहे हैं समझ में नहीं आया। कुछ लोगों को पेमेंट नहीं मिला तो मंत्री जी ने उनका रिक्वेस्ट को फॉरवर्ड किया। इसमें स्कैम कहां से आया, उनका स्पेसिफिक रोल क्या है, ऐसा गलत आरोप करना, ये टैक्टिक्स है हमारा विपक्ष का मुख्य रूप में कांग्रेस का, स्पिट एंड रन. That's what they are trying to do with Mr. Kiran Rijiju also. Let the truth come out and then everything will be clear.
राहुल गांधी कह रहे हैं कि हमें संसद में नहीं बोलने दिया जा रहा, मैं सड़क पे बोलूंगा, मंडियों में